guys! Welcome back again to my channel, and we do the gummy food versus real food.
Real food.
So, let's start. Go na. Game muna. Ano muna tayo? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's mine. It's mine. And it's mine.
Kasi paborito ko.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, pizza!
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 Gummy foods.
My
My
favorite.
favorite too.
My favorite food. Pizza. Oh. Next naman ay
O, dito.
game na. So, next.
Girl. Corazon na
Number 2. Start. Game. Game.
Sabi. May food.
Oh, game mo. Wait for it. 1, 2, 3, go. So, Bobby. He's mine. Game. In 3, 2, 1. Pancake! Chocolate pancake. Gummy food na naman.
Gummy food na na. Tapos na naman eh. Sa akin na lang yan. Di ba
So?
tapos ito?
Later.
Pero pang pagkain.
Buka dyan.
Pati kami, Gerald.
Mamaya.
Meron pa.
Kim. Next. Number 3. Okay. Go, wait lang. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Oh, oh. 3, 2, 1, go. Gummy food again. Okay, okay.
Anong gummy food?
Change.
Yan ang sabi ko. Yan.
So, guys,
May
gummy food
milk.